Hey Mr. Subbu,
Hello, Ma.
I have a blaring hot FAQ from the mechanical engineering fraternity.
Please do ask, please.
They say mechanical engineers don't get jobs anymore. Do you think it's true?
I understand that you are quite curious to know the demand or the market opportunities for mechanical engineers, but my answer is not going to be specific for mechanical engineers. It is going to be for any engineer. On that particular note, we will have to understand the shift to what is happening in the industry. It might be from many types. It can be from many situations. The first and foremost thing is the market saturation. What do we mean by market saturation is uh, say for example in mechanical engineering only, it was a popular field of industry, it is a popular field and it will also be a popular field, but it is not the case for many other industries. There have been some technologies or industries which was very famous 10-15 years before, which is not the case today. Say for example 20-30 years before, if you work for a bank, you are supposed to be a very educated person, right? Now that is not the case. Education doesn't depend upon where you work at this point of time. Next is industrial shifts. What is industrial shift? We can also say that as a technological shift. The technological shift can be from the computers or the machineries or people's mindset. Previously, there used to be washing machines which had two tubs, right? One used to wash and one used to dry. Now we are talking about one single tub which does both the purpose. It is now only of two different types. One is top load or front load. People prefer what they can afford to. Then economical situation of the place where you are into. This, say for example, if the country is facing a recession, there might be a loss of jobs. There might be a situation where people might lose jobs because we don't have that much money to pay the employees, pay the people. So there might be a situation where people lose jobs. The biggest problem here is the skill mismatch. When you don't have the right skill set at that right demanded time, there might be a difficult situation for you to find the right job. So the very important factor here is to attain the right skill set. This need not be only for mechanical engineers. It can be for any industry. You can be a software person, you can be an electrical person, you can be a mechanical person, whatever it is. Matching the right skill set to the demand and understanding the present demand is what is very important. Having said this, the real fact is mechanical engineers have had demand before, are having demand today, and will also have demand later. Because previously mechanical engineers used to work for a different type of vehicles. That is what we say as industrial shift. Say initially we had IC engines, today we are talking about electric vehicles, tomorrow we will talk about autonomous vehicles. Any which ways, be it any engineer at any point of time, their demand is not going to go down if they had matched the skills or if they have upgraded themselves to the right skill set at the particular demand. Hope I've answered your question.